Hey guys, it's Davita with WTI.
I am so impressed. Wow, 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 with these 3-pack of quick drying camping towels by Wuwahold. What I like about them is that they're perfect for every occasion. They're a great shower towel because they absorb the water really quickly and they dry, I would say, within 15 minutes at room temperature. This is the 24 by 48 inch. They do come in a larger size and other colors, but as you can see, the material is thin and soft, but it's perfect because of how well it absorbs the water. I use them for drying my face. You can throw the towel around your neck. They're great for going to the gym since they wick the sweat. And they're also great for if you just want to lie down on the grass. Maybe the grass is a little wet, you're at the park. They can be used for going to the beach. As you can see, if you pour a lot of water on the towel, they actually don't get soaking wet and they dry within 15 minutes. They're very packable. They come with these mesh bags that you can pack them in. So especially if you like to travel, you don't have to worry about them being bulky or heavy, because that's never fun when a towel gets sopping wet and you have to travel with it. So I would highly recommend these. I love them.
And that is my point of view.